Welcome everybody, hello in California. So we just arrived and we are taking a spin with the Subaru. We are going to the US Customs to stamp some documents with it, and these are the first kilometers that we make with the Subi on the Californian land. That's really exciting, and Andrzej is here with me, and yeah, let's start this big journey. Zajebiście, bo mam jeden ten premium, ale drogie paliwo.
Jarasz się?
No człowieku! Alright, so we are in Long Beach. We just received some documents from the customs. They stamped the documents that like clear the car with the custom work, and now we are in DMV to register the car. What we actually did wrong is that we actually drove the car all the way here on the main road without doing all that paperwork. So if we would get stopped, we would be pretty much in very serious troubles. But now doesn't matter at all. So I have to go to the DMV and do that stuff, and then we will go where? Downtown LA, Venice Beach, Compton. Compton. Then we go to Compton. Yeah. So generally after 2 hours I am going out without the registration. So the customs send me to DMV to register the car in California, generally in the United States, and the DMV guys said that after 2 hours of waiting, well, not that they were so long, it just I took the number, so it was my time that I was waiting for my appointment for. So after the appointment I just learned that I can drive on my regular titles, the Polish ones. I don't have to do any special registration, just I have to be sure that I have the insurances and everything. And they also said that to hold all of the documents, all of the custom clearance documents, have that as well with me, and every time the law enforcement will stop me, I will have to probably deal individually with every single one. But they don't see, but as I am not the citizen or even the resident in the United States, I don't have to register the car like that. So we can go now. We go now to Compton.
So big, you can't even see my face. Ballin' on the court, make 'em chase.
So generally, we've officially entered Compton, the 10th most dangerous city in the world. Number 10, or one of the 10 of the most dangerous cities in the world. Dale's Donuts on the left. It's kind of a crazy, but we won't be like driving around here too much, because from at least what I heard, you really have to know someone to get in here, like legally, without any problems with the locals. But actually it looks cool. It doesn't look really dangerous. Yeah, we will see. So we will be now on Compton Boulevard soon. One more crossroads and we are at Compton Boulevard. Yeah, it's the first day and we get to the most dangerous place in the whole Los Angeles. The number one dangerous place ever. Andrzeju, what is there? What is there?
Chaos.
Co jest?
A, tam.
Chaos, nie.
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. So what you see behind us, or in front of the... Generally what you see is LA, and now we are going downtown LA, and we are going to the places from the Fast and Furious, Toretto Market and the house of Dominic Toretto. Our schedule is very tight for that day, so we have to move fast with our journey. Los Angeles is absolutely beautiful and I love it. I know some people don't. I know some people came back that they said that it's full of bumps and it's very dirty, but I just love it. I mean, just take a look at the views from the drone. So what you see on the left is the Bob's Market. Well, that's Toretto's Market from the movie, but now it's called Bob's Market. And goddamn, that's so cool. So basically, we are shopping at that market. I don't want to be like too obvious with the camera, so I keep it low. We will buy some stuff and yeah, enjoy it.
Ty, ale zajebisty jest ten. Też.
Kurwa.
Tu jest jeszcze parę.
No.
A ciekawe ile za to babka chce.
How much would you like for that Bob's Market one? 40 bucks. All right, I'll take one. So we'll take also the Toretto license plate. We'll do the yep, and that will be all.
Cash?
Cash, yeah.
Okay.
We bought a lot of stuff, and I have some stickers here, and I will just put that one on the Forester, just in front of the Bob's Market.
No crust.
Jedziemy. That's the Dominic Toretto's house. I know that's a little bit crazy, but you know, everybody watched Fast and Furious when they were my age, and when the movie came out, it was an absolute bible, let's say. So it's really awesome. There are signs that people should not trespass. I really understand that because, for example, for sure, like a lot of people come here. I'm so happy to be here. I can't actually believe that this is happening, that this is real, that we are here in these places, that we are in Los Angeles with the car, and like that it went all the way from Poland to here. And just yeah, I'm just excited because it would be really cool to see like the backyard and even maybe walk in the house. But I don't think that the owners would, you know, that they would appreciate 1,000 or 10,000 or 100,000 person who asked for permission. So we're gonna go now to the next location. We are leaving Los Angeles and we are heading to Angeles Crest Highway, which is absolutely beautiful. I didn't expect that. I've seen a lot of movies of cars and a lot of YouTubers making their content there, and I thought that we have to take a look at it the same day. Our excitement is so big that we would be able to drive and drive and drive for the whole day without any stops. And also, I was just missing my chaos. And now we are on the Angeles Highway, and we are amazed. We are amazed because it's like so beautiful here. It's like, look at the views. It's like everywhere where you go in at this road, there's like fabulous look. It's like beautiful mountains here, beautiful mountains there. The road is absolutely beautiful. We are running out of the daytime. It's about 7:30 at the moment, 5:30 p.m. and so we are heading home. Today we will go to sleep earlier and Man, what I can tell you is just like this. It's like I cannot even believe that we are here, first of all, and this is like the best day of my life, pretty much, that we are here. We can do all of that stuff. That's crazy. The route is best described as mountain rural, because the route passes through the protected San Gabriel Mountains National Monument and Angeles National Forest. Development in this area is very limited. There are not so many buildings there. The highway is 66 miles long, so be sure that you have enough petrol if you are hitting it. As we did, we went there on quarter of the tank and we nearly got stuck on the top. Fortunately for us, the road back was all the time from the top to the bottom, so we could drive on neutral with turned on engine. The construction of Angeles Crest Highway began in 1929, and it was originally intended to be a fire access road. In 1941, construction stopped because of the World War, and eventually it opened in 1956. Unfortunately, on the highest end of the road, our camera and the drone died. We didn't charge our batteries, we were not prepared. The whole day was very spontaneous, so we can't show you the view from the top. But I think that leaves, for some people, opportunity to go there and check it by themselves. If you like the content, then please subscribe, leave a like and comment, that really helps us. And see you in the next episode.